Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add tasks in Todoist using Quick Add. Todoist is a powerful task management and productivity tool that helps you organize your daily tasks, projects and goals in one place. With features like due dates, priorities, labels and reminders, Todoist make it easy to stay productive, and one of its fastest and most useful feature is Quick Add, which lets you add tasks instantly without interrupting your workflow. And in this video I'll show you how to add a task using Quick Add on a laptop. So first you can open any web browser on your laptop such as Chrome, Safari or Edge, and you can go to the Todoist.com. and there's a top search bar. Type down Todoist.com and enter it. And over here you'll land into your Todoist dashboard. So to open a Quick Add, you can see on the left hand side you can see there's an option for directly to add task. That's your Quick Add. Simply select this add task button. Alternatively, you can also use the keyboard shortcut. You can press Q on your keyboard on most laptops and this instantly opens the Quick Add task window. And in the add box here you can type your name of your task, for example assignment. You can also customize the task. You can select a project, a description, any date if you have a priority level, and if you want any of the reminder if needed. And all of this can be done directly from the Quick Add window. And if you want to put any location or deadline over here, you can select this three dot icon. Here you can either edit actions, add extension, deadline, location and the label as well. And after that select the add task and the task has just been added in your Todoist Quick Add on laptop, and this feature is perfectly for capturing tasks and staying organized throughout the day. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to add tasks in Todoist using Quick Add. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.